can make some lovely steamed Calla Loo from Chef Ricardo cooking today. Remember Chef Ricardo website www.co.uk, chefricardo.co.uk. Okay, alright, I'm already have my pot on the fire, my frying pan. I'm just gonna tip a little bit of my vegetable oil inside of it just to fry up my seasoning. And in my video I want to tell you what type. I got some tomato, I got some spring onion, I got some white onion, some mixed pepper, and I'm gonna put some little bit of salt, little bit of seasoning, so many different things inside of it. Piece of garlic, I got some garlic cut up with also already inside of it. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm just gonna fry off my seasoning. This is my seasoning right here. I'm just putting inside of the pot. Can you see? So what I'm gonna do is put a little bit more heat on it. Really nice and beautiful mixed seasoning. I got spring onion, garlic. Yep. Got some lovely tomatoes cut up inside of it, slicing. Really nice. So I wrote to fry this for probably about 10 minutes. Just to make it get a little bit more heat. Really nice, as you can see it looking beautiful. I'm going to put a pinch of pepper. This is some coarse grain pepper. And then I'm going to put a little bit of salt. Some coarse salt with some garlic. Some mixed herbs, everything inside of this one. A little bit of salt also, not too much salt. As you can see, frying up, it's getting there. This is Chef Ricardo steamed Calla Loo in Jamaica. This is how we normally do it. The steamed Calla Loo. Just like how I'm doing it right now. I want to say you can add anything inside of it. You can add saltfish. You can add anything you like inside of this steamed Calla Loo I'm going to make right now. I got at least 700 grams of steamed Calla Loo, but I'm just going to use about 225 grams of that Calla Loo, as you can see. This is a Calla Loo. I'm using the tin Calla Loo. It's local, you can get it in a shop, local shop. Yeah, really nice. This is a steamed Calla Loo, and as you can see, looking beautiful so far. This is a nice and wonderful recipe from Chef Ricardo today. Beautiful one. You don't need the season to cook out too much. You want it to be a little bit crunchy. Really nice. I turn up my heat a little bit more. Lovely. And as you can see, it's going to be cooking now. Really nice one from Chef Ricardo today. Remember guys, how to steam Calla Loo. Spring onion, white onion, some peppers, some salt, and a little bit of oil. You can put butter in also. You can put anything you like inside of it, but I'm not gonna put none of those stuff in it, like the butter, because I'm already have oil. You know. So this is how it look like. This is a steamed Calla Loo. Really nice and beautiful from Chef Ricardo today. And remember Chef Ricardo website, chefricardo.co.uk. And I got my new book coming out soon. It's gonna be on the internet soon. Lovely, nice Caribbean Cuisine cooking book from Chef Ricardo. Remember me on YouTube, Twitter, and MySpace, Facebook. You can follow all of my links. Look after yourself and see you in my next video, which I'm gonna coming out with my jerk seasoning, how to make your own jerk seasoning.